Welcome back to Natural Mary. In this video I'm going to be showing us how I comb my hair without using comb to comb my hair. But first guys, I'm going to be spraying water on my hair because my hair is very dry. Guys, my hair is not up to 1 year, but this is how I've been carrying my hair for months without using comb to comb my hair. And you can actually do this pattern of combing your hair with fingers for 6 to 1 year before using comb to comb your hair. Just try it, you will like it. Guys, stay tuned, watch this video to the end, and if you have any question, please don't forget to use the comment section and I will be there to reply your questions. So I'm done with the hair. So guys, tell me, what do you think? Please don't forget to drop your comment and let me know what you think about this my method.